Assalamu alaikum everyone, and let me introduce myself again to you uh, because of those students who are absent on Friday. So my name is Alina Arshad, and I am going to be teaching you English this year, and I will be your class teacher as well. Uh, so I will be your class teacher as well. Inshallah, we'll have a great year, and hopefully you will understand everything from me. And please make sure that if you are not getting anything or if you are not understanding anything, you are most definitely allowed to speak, and you must speak. You must ask me whatever you are not getting me. सिर्फ ये सोच के बैठ जाना कि कोई बात नहीं, बाद में समझ लूंगा या बाद में देख लूंगा या किसी और से समझ लूंगा. नो, that is not the option. Whatever you are not getting me, immediately raise your hand. You can raise your hand here as well. So immediately just raise your hand and ask me the question so that I can solve your queries. Acha, before starting the lesson, can you guys tell me how many of you have got the English books? I'm not talking about the notebooks or the copies. I'm just talking about the English books. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 6 to 7, I think 8 students have shown me a thumbs up or they have raised their hand, so it's okay, it's fine. uh, it's good if you have bought the books. अच्छा, notebooks या copy खरीदने की तो अभी ज़रूरत है ही नहीं, ठीक है. You can buy the copies once the school reopens, ठीक है. Till then, if you have bought the notebooks, it's fine. और अगर अभी तक notebooks नहीं खरीदी हैं, so don't worry, I'm gonna use the pages of the book for you so that you know तुम लोग उसको आराम से LMS पे पढ़ लो और फिर उसके थ्रू तुम लोग आंसर्स को देख सको. ठीक है? Is that clear?
Excuse me, miss.
Beta, what's your name? I cannot see your name here.
Miss, my name is Mohammad Mustafa Maiman. I'm new in the school.
Okay, you are new in the school. So, Mustafa, can you be online with your name so that, you know, when I'm marking the attendance, I can see your name probably here as well. Okay?
Okay.
And I welcome you to Meritorious High School. I'm sure you'll have a great year. Okay?
Thank
Okay, beta. So now, wait. Those students So those students who have got the books, are the books open right in front of you? Yes, they should be. If you have a book, then it should be right in front of you. And I'm talking about the English International one, the language one. I'm not talking about the novel. I'm talking about the language one. Okay, the bigger one. So it should be right in front of you. And you must open Unit 1. Unit 1 is crossing the rivers. Amna, do you have any question? Amna Akhtar? Okay. So, wait, yes. So, our first unit is crossing the river. Now, when we will be starting each unit, there are many things related to each unit. There are reading comprehensions, there are grammar exercises, and there are compositions as well. समझ में आ रही है बात? तो जब भी हम कोई यूनिट स्टार्ट करेंगे, that unit include a lot of subtopics. And are you guys getting me? Was the video stopped for a while? Okay, I think there was some network issue. Can you hear me, guys? Show me a thumbs up if you can hear me, because the screen was frozen for a while. Okay, good. So I was telling you that okay, good. I've seen everyone's thumbs up. Thank you for giving me this response. Okay, so I was telling you that whenever we will be starting any unit, that unit will have a lot of subtopics, which will include a reading comprehension, some grammar exercises, as well as a composition. Okay, some written work. Okay, so this time in this lesson, we are going to start a reading comprehension. Okay, and I'm going to share my screen with you. Obviously most of you do not have the books, so I'm going to share my screen with you here, and on that screen you will see the first page of that comprehension. So as today is the very first lesson, so we are not going to start with any difficult topic कि मैं एकदम से तुम्हारा काम start कर दूं. It is just a reading comprehension. हम खुद साथ मिलके पढ़ेंगे. We are going to read the comprehension together, and then we are going to discuss the questions with each other. Is that clear? So are you aware of the agenda of today? What do we have to do today? We will read the reading comprehension together. I'll also read with you, and then we will discuss the comprehension with each other, and in the end we will discuss the questions. Is that clear? A very simple task for today. So without any further ado, let's just start. I'm going to share my screen with you all. Okay, so as you can see, this is the very first page of the comprehension. The name of the comprehension is Crossing the River. Crossing the River. If you have found this in the book, can you tell me the page number so that others would also understand? Yes. So have you opened this page in your book? Someone, Rehan, you have raised your hand. You want to say anything? You can say anything if you want to. Okay, if you guys are not wearing the uniform, it's fine. Make sure that you wear it in the next class. It's okay. If you haven't bought it yet, it's okay. There is still time for you. Okay. Arham, do you have the book right in front of you? Yes, Arham? Okay. I hope you all have found this page in your book. If you have not found it in the book, do not worry. It is right in front of you. Okay? So just to start reading it, I am giving you 5 minutes for this page. Okay? And then we are going to start discussing what is happening. Okay? So the name of the comprehension is Crossing the River. And basically, this story is from Russia. Okay, so let's just start reading. I'm not going to disturb you further. Let's just start reading. And if you have any question, unmute yourself and ask me. Mariam, if you cannot find the page, it's fine. I'll guide you where the page is. Right now, just concentrate here. And Hassan, I will explain the meaning of all the words once we start discussing. And Jafar, I hope you are able to see the screen now, beta. You don't need to find out the page. I'll tell you later where the page is. Just read from here. Okay, everyone. Yes. So did you read the first page? Yes. I'm just talking about the first page. Are you done with reading the first page? Okay. So if you are done reading the first page, बहुत अच्छी बात है. If you are not done with reading the first page, तब भी कोई मसला नहीं है. If you understood everything written on the first page, great. If you did not understand anything, तब भी कोई मसला नहीं है. That's why I'm here. ठीक है? So do not worry if you did not understand anything. Let's just start it again, and this time I'm going to discuss with you that what is actually happening in the comprehension. Is that clear? So let's just start. First of all, I want you to look at the introduction, which is present under the heading of autobiography. Okay? See, From Crossing the River by Sergei Eskanov. Now you would say, Miss, this seems like a very weird name. So ये weird आपको इसलिए लग रहा है because this man is a Russian man. तो उसका जो नाम है वो obviously Russian है. That's why it seems a little off to you. The name is Sergei Eskanov. ठीक है? Now this story is about the time when this writer was only 9 years old. How old he was? He was only 9 years old. तब उसने अपनी कहानी लिखी हुई है कि what happened to him. So once what was happening, and by the way, before starting the comprehension, look at the heading which is written autobiography. Basically, autobiography is a story written by someone who is writing about their own life. अपनी ही life के बारे में लिखना क्या कहलाता है? Autobiography कहलाता है. For suppose, if I am writing about my life, then the book will be called autobiography. ठीक है? So Sergei was actually 9 years old and he was along with his servant Ivan. ठीक है? What was the name of his servant? Ivan. And this story basically happened in Russia 200 years ago. ठीक है? बहुत पुरानी story है ये. So once Sergei was coming home for his summer holidays, उसका servant उसको लेने आया था स्कूल से, Ivan, and they were going back to home. But what did they have to do? They had to cross the river Kama by ferry boat. means उनके रास्ते में there was a river. The name of the river was River Kama, and they had to cross the river by ferry boat. Now what is a ferry boat? Ferry boat is actually kind of a boat. It is a bigger one जिसमें काफी लोग आ सकते हैं. And by the way, one more thing, अगर अब तुम Google करोगे ferry boat and the pictures which you will see, those pictures are basically very different from the ferry boat which these guys would have been using 200 years ago. अब तो बहुत एडवांस हो गई हैं. वो एक बड़ी सी बोट होती है, जिस तरह हमारी कंट्री में बसेस होती हैं और टैक्सीज होती हैं, इसी तरह कुछ कंट्रीज में फेरी बोट्स भी यूज होती हैं फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ठीक है. सो फेरी बोट इज अ वेरी बिगर बोट. ठीक है. एंड एट दैट टाइम दे हैड टू क्रॉस द रिवर थ्रू फेरी बोट सो दैट दे कैन रीच होम. ओके. नाउ in the afternoon we reached the bank of the Kama river, means river के किनारे जब वहाँ पे पहुँचे वो, तो they could see a lot of things. There were women, see what they could see on the bank waiting to cross with us. Like उनको अकेले ही cross नहीं करना था river. There were other people present as well. 3 loaded cars with their drivers. Carts, ठीक है. Carts यानी जो तुम देखते होगे जैसे कि एनिमल्स विच आर ड्रॉन बाय एनिमल्स, जिनमें सामान लेके जा रहे होते हैं. So there were 3 carts. There was a group of villagers and there were women as well who were carrying a basket full of berries. So they all were waiting to cross the river, but the problem was that there was no ferryman. वहाँ पे कोई फेरीमैन नहीं था जो उनको दरिया के एक किनारे से दूसरे किनारे पे लेके जा सके. So they were all waiting and they were, all thinking कि क्या किया जाए. So suddenly one of the villagers said that he had been a ferryman for some years, so he would take the steering oar and guide the ferry boat across. तो उसने एक वो लोग सब wait कर रहे थे. There was no ferryman available. तो उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि वो लोग क्या करें. Then one of the villagers said कि you know what, I had been a ferryman for quite some time, so I would take you guys to the other bank of the river. So सबने उसकी बात मान ली and they all just started their journey. Now the ferry boat was loaded. पूरी की पूरी भर गई थी वो फेरी बोट. Obviously there were 3 carts and my carriage with its 3 horses. Isaac के भी जो पूरी carriage थी उसमें भी 3 horses लगे हुए थे. Now you can see how big that ferry boat was. ठीक है. Wait a minute. सही है. So there were many people on the boat. There were 3 horses on the boat. There was Isaac along with his servant Ivan. And by the way, there is something written about Ivan here, that my servant Ivan had the courage and strength of 10 men, and he and some villagers took the other oars. Oars तुम सबको पता होगा क्या होगा, जिससे बोट को चलाया जाता है. So there was this ferryman who was who had taken the charge of the boat, and there were other people who had taken the oars so that the boat could move. लेकिन अब हुआ क्या? There was one problem. The boat was moving slowly upstream when a black cloud suddenly appeared and covered the horizon. ठीक है. जब हम घर में बैठे हुए हैं और अगर आसमान पे if it is covered with black clouds तो कोई मसला नहीं है. But if you are in a river and if a storm is coming, then it means that your life is suddenly in danger. ठीक है. So okay, up till now, is it clear? Do you guys have any confusion? I'm gonna unmute yourself. Like, okay, if I ask a question from Rehan. Rehan, can you tell me who was Ivan? Who was Ivan, Rehan?
Ivan was his friend.
Are you sure, friend? How old was he?
He was a servant.
Exactly.
Servant.
Ivan was Isaac's servant. अभी हम किसकी स्टोरी पढ़ रहे हैं? We are reading the story of Isaac, who was only 9 years old at that time, and Ivan was basically his servant. Yaya, the next question is from you. Yaya, can you tell us any special thing about Ivan? Anything about his personality? What kind of a person he was? Ivan? There is something mentioned here. क्या पढ़ा था अभी हमने आइवन के बारे में? Ivan was basically we read that Ivan was a very strong person and he had the courage and strength of 10 men. तो अगर हम ऐसा कह रहे हैं कि there was this man जिसके पास 10 आदमियों की ताकत है, it means what we are saying, it means that that man was very strong, right? Are you getting me now? Yeah. Okay. Ramesh, can you tell us how many horses were present in Isaac's carriage? Carriage, you know, there is a carriage जिसमें लोग बैठते हैं which is drawn by horses.
It's 3.
Absolutely. So there were 3 horses in Isaac's carriage. And Amna Akhtar, Amna, can you tell us? See, there were some women as well who were the passengers, and they had some baskets. So what did those baskets contain? क्या था उन baskets में?
Those baskets were full of berries.
Absolutely. Very good, Amna. So those baskets were full of berries. Fakiha, can you tell us? See, so they were sitting in a boat and they were, they were in a river and they were just completing their journey peacefully. Suddenly, what happened? अचानक से एक problem क्या आ गई थी? What was the problem faced by them?
Miss, suddenly the black cloud came and it began to storm.
Well done, Fakia. Suddenly, black clouds had appeared on the and it had become dark. Okay. Now, like I said, if we are sitting in our homes and a black cloud appears, there is no issue. But when you are outside, when you are being vulnerable, and when you are sitting under the open sky, then it's a problem for your life. So, अब हमें देखना ये कि उन लोगों के साथ हुआ क्या and what happened to them. ठीक है? So, are you all with me? Shall we move on now? Everything is clear? Yes. So, let's move on to the next page. I'm going to share my screen with you again. Inshallah, we'll try our best to complete this comprehension today. Oops. Okay. थोड़ा सा मैं इसको zoom out कर देती हूँ ताकि मसला ना हो. Okay. If you guys have any question, you can ask me. And if you are unable to understand any word, don't worry, it will be discussed. If you are reading from here, it's fine. If you are reading from a book, the page number is 16 and 17 in your book. So whatever suits you, जो भी आपको easy लगे. If you want to read from here, fine. If you want to read from the book, fine. Yaya, you have raised your hand. You can unmute yourself and ask me the question, beta.
Miss, I don't have the books.
It's okay, Yaya. The screen is right in front of you. Are you able to see the screen? Where the
Miss,
comprehension
from
is
where we have to read?
just from the beginning. This is the second part. See, we are done with the first one. Now this is continued. Okay, so just start reading from here. Now see what is happening, that a black cloud had covered the sky, right? So now what they are doing after that, it is written all here. Okay.
part of necessary rest.
Yeah, you can mute yourself now. There is a word written here, worst. It is just an old Russian way of measurement. इसको तुम किलोमीटर की तरह समझ लो, because this word means the same as the kilometers. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start discussing now. See what is happening now. The people who were using the oars for the boat to move, they murmured a prayer, means उन्होंने एक दुआ की, and they started to row straight across the river. But the problem was that the weather conditions started to become worse. See, the sky and the water grew black. Black क्यों हो जाएगा? The sky and the water grew black. Did someone paint the sky and water with black color? No. The thing was that the sky was covered with black clouds, so there was no light coming in. तो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे पानी भी सारा का सारा क्या हो गया है? Black हो गया है. And the wind blew like a hurricane, and thunder and lightning broke over us. Now this was indeed a very dangerous scene, right? That these people are sitting in the middle of the river, and the weather has become worse. There is thunder and there is lightning, and there is nowhere to go. They are just stuck in the middle of the river. So indeed they were all very frightened. The man at the steering oar, we are talking about this man who had made who was telling everyone कि मेरे पास तो ferryman बनने का होने का experience है कुछ years का, so I can take you all with me. But you know what? The man at the steering oar dropped his oar in panic and confessed that he had never been a ferryman and could not steer. जब उसको डर लगा, उसने देखा कि मौसम इतना खतरनाक हो गया है, तो उसने सबको सच बता दिया. He was actually lying before that he was a ferryman, but he had never been a ferryman in his entire life, and he was very scared. तो उसने सबको बताया कि मैं ये बोट को नहीं चला सकता क्योंकि मुझसे नहीं होगा ये. I had never been a ferryman. Now the women shrieked in terror. I was so frightened that I just shook with terror and could not make a sound. Obviously, the women who were present in the ferry boat, they got very scared. They started shouting with fear. And Isaac, who was only 9 years old, was so frightened that वो सिर्फ कपा रहा था खड़ा हुआ, and he could not even make a single sound. उसके मुंह से आवाज भी नहीं निकल रही थी, उसको समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है? All right. The current यहाँ पे basically we can understand जो लहरें बन रही थी river के अंदर. We are talking about that current, not the electricity current. Now they were just present in the river, did not know what to do. Then suddenly Ivan, who was the servant of Isaac, had an idea. उसने क्या किया? He made the quietest of our horses jump off the ferry boat. जो horse सबसे खामोश खड़ा हुआ था, उसने उसको ferry boat से उतारा, and then he put Isaac, see, to put me on it. He put Isaac on its back, on horse back, and उसने आइजक को कहा कि तुम बहुत टाइटली हॉर्स को, हॉर्सेस में तुम बहुत टाइटली हॉर्स को पकड़ लो. And then he led the horse by his bridle as great waves of black water rushed past. Suddenly Ivan disappeared into deep water and my horse began to swim. I have never forgotten the terror which I felt at that moment. Now basically Ivan was swimming in the water along with the horse, and on horse who was sitting? Isaac was sitting. Isaac was horrified. उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि उसके साथ हो क्या रहा है, और उसको लग रहा था कि see, I felt as though I was drowning in the great black waves. But Ivan was a strong swimmer. हमने पहले ही पढ़ लिया था कि Ivan was a very strong man. तो Ivan ने क्या किया? Even though the river was very rough, it had become a very angry river, लेकिन Ivan ने अपनी swimming जारी रखी, and soon they had reached safely to the bank. If you can look here, see, it's written here that he brought us safely to the bank. Finally, Ivan ने उन लोगों को किनारे पे पहुंचा दिया था. थोड़ी देर के लिए तो Isaac was unconscious, but then when he woke up, he realized that not only him, but all the people were saved and had reached to the shore. So that was a very scary experience for them. They did not know whether they would be alive or not. But सबसे पहले Ivan ने हिम्मत की that he jumped into the river and he used his swimming skills. अगर वो सिर्फ बोट पे रहते तो क्या होता? हो सकता है तूफान बढ़ता चला जाता, and maybe they all would have died, right? But this story gives a very good lesson to you guys, and the lesson is that if you ever face any problem or any difficulty, then the best option is to take some action rather than waiting and becoming scared कि अब क्या होगा, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता, or maybe this is the end, now I cannot do anything. No, you should never give up hope and you should always struggle. बिल्कुल अपने last end तक struggle करनी है जब तक problem solve नहीं होती है. Be it a bigger problem or a smaller problem, but we must never give up. If Ivan had given up, then maybe all those people along with Isaac would have died. Okay? So that is the lesson which we have learned from this story. Now only 1 minute is left. So there is a little homework for you guys for today. As we have another class tomorrow, right? So तुम लोगों का homework क्या है? That I'm gonna put the questions of this comprehension on LMS. ठीक है? So tonight go on the LMS, ठीक है? और वहाँ पे comprehension को दोबारा पढ़ो and read the questions and try to find out the answers. Then tomorrow, inshallah, in the class, we will first discuss the answers. I'm going to ask you questions and you're going to tell me the answers. There is no written work. Written work कुछ भी नहीं है. You just need to find out the question, find out the answers and keep them in your mind. Then tomorrow when I'm going to ask you questions, then you can, tell me the answers and we can discuss the correct answers with each other. Is that clear? Have you understood the task? You will find the questions and the comprehension on LMS. Yes, Adil.
मिस ये आपने ये सब क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर एलएमएस पे डाले हुए?
अभी मैं I will upload that. I will. ठीक है, अभी मैंने अपलोड नहीं किया है. I will upload it in a few hours. हो सकता है आप like अभी you will take another class as well. So then have a little rest and then शाम में जब तुम LMS लगाओगे तो ये सब अपलोड होगा वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो inshallah I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please switch on your cameras, otherwise I'm not gonna mark your attendance. Okay, so switch on your cameras and I will really appreciate if you switch on your cameras all the time. Otherwise your attendance marking would be in trouble. Okay, so let me take the pictures. Let me take the picture of you guys. And I I really hope, as this was our very first lesson, so you guys understood it. लेकिन अगर नहीं भी समझ में आया कोई बात नहीं. You are new to me, I am new to you. Inshallah, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता everything will be clear to you. But like I said, if you guys have any confusion, always ask me. Okay? जब तक पूछोगे नहीं मुझसे तो confusion clear नहीं हो. Okay? So time is up. Allah Hafiz from my side. Take care, and inshallah I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Allah Hafiz.